slow down a little bit. What's going on, folks? It's Oregon Motorcycle bringing you another awesome episode, coming to you straight out of Oregon today. We are out by Dee Flats today, trying to get in. So last night, my buddy texted me late last night and said that Dee Flats was open, and sent me a link to the website saying how it was, that says road closed 1 mile ahead, you know, saying how this place was open. So got a little group of bikes here, 5 of us. We tried to come up and went to the front, and the front gate is closed, so we're trying to come in the back way now to see what we can find. But yeah, it's the weird thing is the website says that it's open, and we are not really seeing that. And it's slick, it's muddy. We're getting a lot of rain lately. So there's a DRZ 450 behind me. We were at the gas station in Estacada, and we picked up a guy on a WR 250R. There's a KTM or Husqvarna 450 in front of me, and there's a Husqvarna 501 behind me. So it's all dual sports again that I'm with. But you know how we do it at Oregon Motorcycle, folks. And if you don't, hit that subscribe button so you can see, you can find out all about it, get some of my videos up in your feed. I like to hammer on my my 500X here, as some of you guys know. But yeah, the thing about Dee Flats, you guys, it's been closed for about I don't know, I guess almost a year now, maybe a little bit more than a year. It's because of the fires. So the fires, I guess, came through here and ravaged everything, and they just shut it down. And we were hearing rumors of it being open in 2022, but I don't know, it still may be closed. So I don't know. There's other people up here trying to get up here and trying to check it out. Yeah, if you guys remember, before I helped come up here, some friends of mine, we came up here and we helped build a bridge. That helps cross over, and this goes all the way to Timothy Lake. Well, during the fires, they had to get some fire trucks up there, so they ended up plowing a new road. Around it. But I heard that the bridge is still there. Looks like some of these roads are accessible back here. Man, this stuff is gnarly. It's wet and slippery. At least there's no dust. Okay, this is the road that goes up to the bridge. Well, I just want to make sure everybody's on the... This just progressively gets harder and harder. The reason I wanted to go up here is because they recut a new road when the fires came through here. And they supposedly cut a road up around the bridge. There's 2 jumps. Who wants to have a jumping contest? He's still yapping away. He's still talking. But it's good though, it worked out good. So there's a KLR over there, and we just picked up this guy. He's gonna follow us now, and we're gonna go up the road here. Alright, now we have 6 bikes total. Let's see how far we can get up this road here. Lots of people out here today, surprisingly. People coming in the back way. awesome up here. I can't explain how much I really love it up here. And I love the way this trail just gets a little bit harder the further and further you go. Oh, today is October 16th, 2021, in case anybody's wondering. So I am noticing some trees that have been cut down on the side here. There has been work up here. And you can see patches of snow, so it's already snowed up here, folks. This will be snowed in here before too long. This stuff is slick. Water crossing. Whoosh. Favorite parts about riding off-road is being able to like kind of drift and do burnouts and slide around. It's a lot of fun. I must say, I gotta say it again, this CB500X is just an amazing bike. I mean, for the price you pay, I still don't think you can beat it for the price that you pay. And I'm over 25,000 miles at 25.4 on this bike, and I'll be at 2 years of ownership here in a couple months. And I love this thing. Like, there's another bike I want to get. Maybe, like, I want a sport bike again. But I wouldn't get rid of this bike to get the sport bike. I'll tell you that. Just not going to happen, because this bike is so versatile and it's so much fun. I couldn't do this with my sport bike, and this is an amazing day. Just hop on my bike on a Saturday and just take off like this, and I'm out here, you know. Be the water crossing here. Nice. Good? It's awesome, huh? It's almost bare 30. Are everywhere. Stuff is slick. Stuff's gnarly. Shit. Getting rocky. This is right where that big rock was. Maybe this is where the big rock was. No. I think this is where the big rock, yeah, this is where the big rock was, and there's no rock there anymore. The bridge is not there. It's all been plowed through, but they built a new road around it. There was a lot of work done on this bridge up here, and now it's gone. Yeah. Look, you can see parts of it right here. All right, so we made it to the bridge, and you can see remnants of the bridge down there. And here is a new road that's been plowed through by the U.S. Forest Service during the fires. And I still can't find any, you know, any sign of the fires that have been up here, but there's a lot of logging that's gone on down here. And you can see this just trees down there that are kind of bent. That's from the erosion. This is a washout here, and this just keeps getting eroded every year. And I believe that this is bridge number 6. So this is not going to last long, and somebody eventually will have to build another bridge across this section. But there you go, folks. All that hard work and money and effort put into that bridge, and it's no longer. So there you go. There's the 501 Husky, which could just brap through everything. Here's the Durs with Brenda. Go Brenda! With her flat track tire on. She's got Dunlop Trail Max Mission up front though. So there they go. Piece of cake, piece of cake. Just a little rutted up from the cars. Nice views. Woo.
Hey, when we come back, I'll just get my phone out and I'll video going up it.
Okay, cool. I'll follow. Hey, I'll follow you, and you can stop at High Rocks. My tires are loaded up or something because they are slick. This has turned out to be an awesome adventure ride, man. And I thought I was going to be out here by myself. Ended up hooking up with all these bikes. Woo! It is slick. Oh my goodness, it is so slick. Woo! Slipping in and sliding. But it, you know, from memory, this side has always been more slick than the other side for whatever reason. I don't know if it's because of the traffic or what. Maybe less traffic, more pine needles over here. Shit, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Super slippery, but it's so much fun to ride on. Shit. Neutral, what's up with that? All right, made it up here. This is High Rocks. This is gonna be a little tricky going down. Go ahead. GoPro battery went dead. I just got done doing a live feed actually. Whew. So this is a pretty crazy trail. A couple of the dual sports didn't make it up. Oh shit. Dang it. I need to slow down a little bit. But yeah, we're up here having a blast. I think this is probably going to be our turnaround point. Maybe. Woohoo! Stay on this side. This side looks a little better. Alright, and that was the worst spot right there. I'm sure the GoPro's not doing any justice. But yeah, and some good trails out here today, man. Just having a blast. I love this area. We're out of Dee Flats OHV Park, but we're in the Mount Hood National Forest right now, and it's just an amazing ride out here. It's not single track, it's not like totally difficult, but it does present its challenges, if that's a way of putting it. So yeah, look at the little KLX in front of me go. This is a 1995 KLX. It's in excellent condition.
Do you have another dirt bike, or is that your only bike?
It's my only bike.
Wow. That's nuts. How many times has that thing been down?
A couple. I'll try this way this time. Complete mental focus and concentration here, folks. Just giving the CB500X all she's got, sliding all over the place. But as you can see, she can get her done. She can get it done. Woohoo! That was my greatest save ever. Dude, that was probably my greatest save ever. Dude.
We went through that big puddle and got almost completely sideways and saved it.
Dude, it went at the side of the hill. When it started going up the side of the hill, I'm like, oh, it's over with. And it fucking came back down. I kept it up. I couldn't believe it.
You recording?
Yeah.
That part doesn't look like it.
I know. I know.
It looks like you're doing it. You rolled your ass and it looks like you're just cruising. Yeah, you actually had a puddles like that 'cause you never know.
Oh, it was slick down there. Whew.
Nice thing about riding behind them is it doesn't flick rocks at me like a dirt tire will.
Nice.
It doesn't flick anything really.
Sweet. All right, folks, we're back here at this hill we went down, so it might be a little harder getting up, but I think I'm just gonna put it in second gear and send it. So let's see what happens here. Again, this is where the bridge used to be. It's totally new. This will be washed out in a year or so, I'm sure. All right, let's see what happens here. Ooh, it's slick. All right, wasn't that bad. I know, huh? Well, if I did it in second gear, so I had more traction. I think if I did it in first, it would have been a little more dramatic. All right, so we leave the bridge area on our way back down. It's just been an awesome day. I thank you guys for hanging out, watching the video. If you guys are still hanging out, hit that subscribe button. Trying to hit 100,000 subscribers right here on the Oregon Motorcycle channel. Woohoo! So much fun. I'm gonna get up here if I can and get some footage of these guys going down. We'll have to stop and air our tires down. So I got the Trail Max Mission tires. If you guys are wondering about the tires I'm running, and I've got them aired down. I've got 16, 17 pounds in the front, and I'm at 20 in the rear. And they did okay. Just sliding around some of that slick stuff, but that's what you gotta expect. You can't, you know, it's not gonna be like a knobby or anything. So, so I don't know. There you have it.
Oh, you're leaking. Looks like oil.
Oh no. Shit.
I got some oil.
Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna go until I run out of oil. I'm fucked. Because I gotta get this thing towed home now. I busted my oil pan.